Hi, this is Alaya, and it's Self-Love Day. And honestly, I had to ask myself, what does that really mean in our society and our culture? Do we have any agreement or idea that we share what that really means? In contemplation, what I can say is that I feel in my heart that there is no relationship more important than the relationship that we have with ourselves. For the love that we are able to give ourselves determines how much love we are able to give others. And how much love can we receive? How deep do we take that love? That determines on how much love we receive from the outside world. It's so important. The power of this love. And if we look at our own relationship with ourselves, I would say that it is so important that we have a loving, kind, compassionate relationship and honest. To be deeply honest with ourselves. But when we have this deeper relationship, we have the confidence and the knowing that we can be here for ourselves. And then we can be here for each other. Self-love is a practice. It's something that we learn. There are so many aspects of our being, of the parts of ourselves that are waiting for us. How often do you speak to your heart? How often? How often are you aware that your heart is aware if you do or you don't? How often is it that when you are quieted and you find the stillness within you, you listen to the whisperings of your soul? Oh, there's so much to be found within us. So I hope on this day, you take some time to ask the question, how can I love myself more?